I wanted to take a second and look at this problem set with you guys. I hope that you guys are on your books now, and I hope that you are at page 245. If you aren't, have the substitute, pause this video, so that way you guys can all get on the same page. So we are solving 14 times 12 using the partial products method, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with this side, okay? It looks like they already have the standard algorithm, the box method here, this area model. So as you can see, they've already separated this number. They've put 10 and 4 for 14, and they've put 10 and 2 for 12. Remember, it's 14 times 12. So we can solve these boxes in between. I know that 4 times 10 is 40. So I'm gonna put that in my first box. I also know that 4 times 2 is 8. I'll put that in my second box. Okay? Reminder that the partial products, standard, and area model are all the same way to find the same answer. I'm going to have 10 times 10, which is 100. Next, I'm going to have 10 times 2, which is 20. Okay? What this is asking now is for you to plug the right numbers in the right order. So we are now looking at words. This says 4 ones times 2 ones. That's saying 4 times 2. So we're gonna go ahead and put our 8 in here because that's the box that we found. That was this one. If you wanna cross it out because you already got that one, that's okay too. Now we're looking at 4 ones times 1 10. There's our 4 ones and our 1 10. We get 40. Make sure that you're not just listing them in whatever order you want. List them in the order that it's telling you. Okay? Next, we're going to say 1 10 and 2 ones. Here's 1 10. Here's our 2 ones. I met them in the middle, and I found out that it was 20. So I'm going to mark that off. Oh, let me mark off my 40 because I already used that too. Now I have 1 10 and 1 10. That made 100. Okay? When we go to add all these together, it'll make a little bit more sense. Okay, so now it is getting rid of the extra numbers here. Okay? It's now telling you no more 2. We're going to do the whole number up here. Let's see if we can do it. I have 4 times 12 up at the top. Well, I do know that 4 times 12 is 48, and I can look at my skip counting poster if I needed to find that information. Next, I know that any number times 10 is just that number with a 0 on the end. So I'm going to put 12, but then I'm going to add my 0 at the end. Now it's saying 4 ones and 12 ones. Here's my 4 ones, and here's my 12 ones. That made 48. 1 10 and 12 ones. Here's our 1 10, here's our 12 ones. That made 120. Okay, so, and I think this is probably on the next one. Nope, that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and write the full answer. We're gonna go ahead and add it all together. So, I have 120 plus 48. I get 168 as my answer, and I want you guys to have this somewhere on your math books, and I want you to circle it.